In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use opacity on Capcut. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned video editor, adjusting the opacity can be a fantastic way to add depth and style to your videos, allowing you to overlay clips creatively. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to master this feature. First, you'll want to open the Capcut app on your device and start a new project. This can be done by simply tapping on the New Project button. Once you're in, the app will prompt you to add media files. Here you can choose any video or image clip you'd like to work on, so go ahead and add your preferred clip from your gallery. When your clip appears on the timeline, you'll need to tap on it to select it. This selection enables you to access various editing tools that Capcut provides. You'll notice a suite of options, but our focus today is on adjusting the opacity. To find the opacity settings, look for the edit button often found at the bottom of the screen and then tap on opacity. This takes you to a slider that controls the transparency of your clip. On this slider you'll find values ranging from 0 to 100 representing the percentage of opacity. Sliding it towards 0 makes your clip more transparent, while moving it closer to 100 makes it fully opaque. If you're wondering when to use different opacity levels, here are a few tips. Lower opacity is perfect for creating a background effect, allowing multiple clips to blend seamlessly. This is handy for transitions or when you want to overlay text without it being too bold. On the other hand, higher opacity keeps your clip prominent and is ideal when clarity and focus are necessary. Once you find the desired level of transparency, by adjusting the slider, you'll need to tap the checkmark icon typically located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This confirms your changes and applies the opacity setting to your clip. Now, if you've finished all your edits and are satisfied with the way your video looks, it's time to save it. To export your video, find the export button, usually marked with an upward pointing arrow or labelled export. Tap that and follow the prompts to finalize and save your video to your gallery. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted video with customized opacity settings. I hope this tutorial has made using opacity in Capcut straightforward and exciting. Don't hesitate to explore different levels and combinations with other editing tools to enhance your storytelling. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.